Are you ready to unlock the full potential of chia seeds in your diet? These tiny powerhouses, originating from the Salvia hispanica plant, offer a multitude of health benefits, but knowing how to consume them correctly is crucial. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants, making them a true superfood. To reap their maximum benefits, let's explore various methods of including chia seeds in our meals and the best times to indulge in them. The first and most recommended approach is to soak chia seeds in water. By mixing 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with a cup of water and allowing it to sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight, you create a gel-like substance that is not only easy to digest, but also helps keep you satiated for longer. This method is perfect for those looking to curb their appetite as part of a weight loss journey. Alternatively, consider making a delectable chia pudding by combining chia seeds with milk or a plant-based alternative, adding sweeteners or fruits, and letting it sit overnight. You create a creamy, nutrient-packed dish that makes an excellent breakfast or snack option. Another fantastic way to include chia seeds in your diet is by tossing a spoonful into your favorite smoothie. Whether you soak them beforehand or blend them dry, they add thickness and fiber to your drink, delivering an extra energy boost that kickstarts your day. For a burst of crunch, sprinkle dry chia seeds over salads, cereals, or yogurt. Just remember to pair them with plenty of water to avoid any risk of them swelling in your throat. Baking is yet another delicious way to incorporate chia seeds into your meals. You can easily integrate them into bread, muffins, or energy bars, enhancing the nutritional profile without diminishing their benefits. When it comes to timing, consider consuming chia in the morning as part of your smoothie or chia pudding to boost energy and support digestion. Additionally, having a glass of soaked chia seeds half an hour before meals can diminish appetite, making it easier to manage your portions. As you enlighten yourself about these amazing seeds, remember not to exceed the recommended daily intake of 1 to 2 tablespoons. This moderate consumption, paired with increased water intake, can effectively enhance your hydration and digestion while amplifying health benefits. Recall the incredible advantages of chia seeds, promoting weight loss, improving digestion, boosting heart health with omega-3s, and regulating blood sugar levels. Now you hold the key to enjoying chia seeds. Which method will you try first?